What's up, hangry people? Today we're making honey butter popcorn. Honey butter popcorn is a flavor you often find with Asian potato chips, but today I'm going to be making it with popcorn. Let's go.
First, make brown butter. Heat up the honey so that it's loose and will drizzle nicely. Put in a few tablespoons of olive oil into a pot with medium-high heat and add in your popcorn kernels. Make sure to keep the kernels moving while they pop and crack. Crack the lid so that they don't steam themselves as they cook. After the kernels are done popping, transfer them to a bowl. If you have a spice grinder, grind your salt into a fine powder so that it sticks to the popcorn. When you dress the kernels, you want to hold the spoon horizontally so that they get a nice thin stream of honey and butter. Alternate dressing the popcorn with honey, butter, and salt, stirring occasionally. And you're done.